Hey traders, I hope everybody had a good trading day today. I got some charts here I want to update you on with the Dow, the Toronto Stock Exchange, the VIX, and the transports. So here the first chart I want to look at is the 60-minute of the Dow, and you can see we had a late day sell-off on heavy volume. Very typical of a weak market. My timing signal's been short since not last Friday but the Friday before that, and we're really starting to see that the rally last week was just an image, just a mirage. Just who knows, but really no lasting power with the lower high that we have in place. So it looks like this market wants to go lower. Here, the Toronto Stock Exchange, I did short EWC. I got a market signal on the Toronto Stock Exchange, a sell signal yesterday, and I said that I was going to short it on some intraday strength, and we got that today, and I shorted it pretty close to the day's high. And I actually I didn't really talk about it on the Twitter stream or on the blog, but I actually did some intraday trading. At the same time I bought those shares of EWC, I shorted some additional diamonds and Qs, and then I closed them out at the end of the day. Just do a little bit of intraday trading as well. I felt that the rally wasn't going to be able to stick, so yeah. And you can see all my trades on Covestor. For those of you who don't know, you can go to the About page, and I have a link there. All of my trades are public knowledge, and you can see exactly what I'm buying or selling there. Let's look at the VIX. I don't often look at the VIX, but you know, there's a time to look at it, and there's a time to ignore it. And we're really starting to see here with the this is a weekly chart. This solid white candle, you know, we're getting out of this mediocrity here, and the volatility is really starting to pick up. If you looked at this on a 3 or a 4 month chart, it would look like it's a lot higher than it actually is. I mean, we really do have some ways to go before genuine fear is really going to kick in. But this accelerates fairly quick, so I would keep your eyes open. You know, when we get to 30-ish, that would be an area where I would think I would probably start taking some of my positions off, maybe half. I don't know. We'll kind of play it as we go. Here on the VIX 60-minute chart here, I don't know how reliable this is, but you know, if I tilt my head the right way, I can kind of see a reverse head and shoulders here. Here at the neckline, probably 15 would be the head, 21. Probably tack 6 points on. You know, you're probably looking around 26, 27 would be the measure. Maybe 27 would be the measured move there. If you take the distance between the neckline and the top of the head, and then add that to the neckline, that's how you can kind of gauge a measured move. The other thing that I wanted, was there something? Sorry, I do these videos just completely off the top of my head. I don't really think a whole lot about them. I just kind of give you my thoughts. Hopefully you guys like them. Something to be looking for if this sell-off is going to really accelerate on top of the VIX is a breakthrough of this support line on the Dow Jones Transportation Index. It would, I mean, I've already confirmed. I mean, my down signal's already been confirmed, but for those Dow theory purists out there, this would really, in my opinion, get a lot of people scared, is if we can break through this support line, which has been touched quite a few times. I would say 4 main times, and now this makes the 5th time. If that breaks through, you know, we do have some rising volume. This would really scare a lot of people. Again, if we look at the 60-minute chart here, head and shoulder pattern, this is a 400-point move. Add that to that, it's going to take it down to about 49.50. So we got some nice downside move, potential downside move in that to go. So stay short, guys. Definitely don't be buying long, and you know, enjoy the volatility.